Do you get motion sick when using your iPhone in a moving car? Good news! iOS 26 introduces a clever new feature called Vehicle Motion Cues, designed specifically to help reduce motion sickness while you're on the move. It works by displaying subtle moving dots on your screen that match your vehicle's movement, helping your brain and eyes stay in sync. Let me show you how to turn it on and customize it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Under the Vision section, tap Motion, then tap Vehicle Motion Cues. Here you'll see three options: On, Off, and Automatically in Vehicle. By default, it's set to Off. Choose On if you want the feature active at all times, or select Automatically in Vehicle so it only activates when your iPhone detects movement in a car. Once it's enabled, small dots appear around the edges of your screen. These dots move side to side when your car turns and shift forward or backward as it accelerates or slows down, providing visual motion feedback that helps reduce disorientation. You can even personalize how these dots look. To do so, tap Customize Appearance. Under Pattern, choose Regular for a stable pattern or Dynamic for a smoother, more animated effect. Then pick your preferred dot color from the color palette. The brightness automatically adjusts for visibility. Want them to stand out more? In the Visibility section, you can toggle larger dots or more dots to make them more noticeable depending on your lighting environment. To make it easier to toggle on and off, add Vehicle Motion Cues to your control center. Swipe down from the top right corner, tap the Vehicle Motion Cues icon, or touch and hold it to access settings directly. When you're done using it, simply switch it back to off from either menu. Now, here's the science behind it. Motion sickness happens when your eyes and inner ear send conflicting signals to your brain, like when your body feels movement, but your eyes are focused on a still screen. The Vehicle Motion Cues bridge that gap by mimicking the car's movement visually, giving your eyes the same cues your body feels. That helps your brain stay aligned with your motion, reducing nausea and dizziness during travel. And that's it. You now know how to activate, customize, and disable Vehicle Motion Cues on your iPhone running iOS 26, and why it actually works. If this video helped you enjoy smoother rides, give it a thumbs up and check out my other iOS 26 tutorials for more hidden iPhone features. Thanks for watching.